Hey guys, this is Mason, and today I have a Mountain Dew mini fridge. So yeah, so I got it from my from Neil's house. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into boxing now. Here it is. Now this way. And there it is. Here it is. And so I have this one. Now, let's just get this thing off.
Wow, that's such a cool refrigerator, Mason.
Yeah. It's they have a wire. Okay, so we have this one. And this one. So as you see the back. Oh, sorry.
No, we would have to that is really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, and so I have a puppy. His name's Ron. Okay. Alright, so anyways, I just continue. And here it is.
That's to plug it into the car.
Yeah.
And this one's just to plug it into the wall.
Yeah. And so I got some no. And I have some Dew cans.
You should put them in there.
Okay, I got it. Then this one is the 36 pack. So I have one, 3,
Put them in there.
4.
Look how cute.
Okay, so we can fit on 1, 2. This tiny thing. 3, 4.
Wait, don't force it.
Okay, so here's 4, 5.
Just put it in straight.
Okay, so straight.
Yep. You don't have to force it. Yep. Perfect.
And there it is.
Cool.
Anyways, guys, so on that was the Mountain Dew mini fridge. So just like and subscribe. And I'll miss you guys. Bye.